Cooperative Co-Celebration Day. Members, you may note that the cooperative movement is comprised of 45,868 cooperatives involved in wide-range economic activities, including agriculture, marketing, financial services, housing, energy distribution, dairy, and transport. And as stated earlier, there are cooperatives directly involved in the implementation of government programs. These include Emyoga, Presidential Industrial Skilling Hubs, and PDM circles. Let me also take this opportunity to inform you about what the Ministry is doing to revive and strengthen cooperatives, where strategies for revival of the strengthening of the cooperatives have been formulated with a view to addressing the critical challenges facing the sector. Some of the challenges include poor governance and leadership, inadequate knowledge of cooperatives, dented the image of the cooperatives, low capitalization, poor storage facilities, weak management, information systems, and inadequate legal and regulatory framework. These challenges therefore call for increased education, training, capitalization, provision of storage facilities, and an improved effective regulatory framework. Cooperatives can only be revived if they become democratic, self-governing, and self-reliant organizations. For this, a radical change is necessary, and the way cooperatives are constituted, managed, and regulated, or what I've just said above, is what we are concerned with at the Ministry. In a bid to promote good governance and root out corruption and bad leadership, the Ministry has commended a comprehensive validation exercise of all cooperative unions and their member primary societies across the country. This exercise has the following objectives. 1. Ensure compliance with the relevant laws and regulated governing cooperative societies. Validate membership records. Evaluate governance structures. Examine operational practices. Assess economic viability. Develop database for the future reference. Facilitate capacity building needs. These are important. As I said in my introduction, I take this opportunity to inform you that the Ministry is conducting an overhaul cooperative leadership that have abused their offices and led to poor services delivery to farmers. The Ministry has therefore embarked on rigorous exercise to enforce accountability, transparency, participation, conscientious building, and respect for rules, policies, and regulations in cooperative management. Let me also inform you that as part of our ongoing commitment to modernizing the government services and fostering transparency and efficiency, we launched the Cooperative Registry Management Information System. This innovative initiative is designed to digitize and streamline the entire process of registering, managing, and overseeing the cooperative across the country. That is the modern way of doing things